In this tutorial, we'll look at adding multiple time signatures to a song and how to change the global time signature. In part 1 of this series, we doubled the detected tempo in Rosanna from 83 to 166. However, suppose we wanted to use 83 beats per minute. Let's start by halving the tempo to get us back to 83 beats per minute. Let's listen to the beats. Pay attention particularly around the chorus. At the chorus, it is off by 2 beats. We'll use the time signature track to add time signature changes. Show the time signature track from the View menu. We want the start of the chorus to be 4/4, so right-click on the 3rd beat and select Add Time Signature, 4/4. We want to keep the beat, so be sure Keep Existing Beats is selected. Click OK. Notice that bar 25 now has 4 quick beats in it. This is the bar we want to be 2/4, so add a time signature marker for 2/4. If we were to use the Keep Existing Beats option, then the 4 beats would be converted to 2 measures of 2/4. Instead, we want to keep the bar as is and replace the 4 beats with just 2 beats. So select the Keep Existing Bars option, and Songmaster will replace the existing 4 beats with 2. Let's jump ahead in the chorus section and listen. We have a similar situation again and need to add 1 bar of 2/4. This time, let's add a measure of 2/4 first, and then add a time signature of 4/4. Add a time signature of 2/4. And again, we don't want to change the beat, so we use Keep Existing Beats. Notice how all the bars after this have 2 beats. We need to add a change back to 4/4. Note that when the beats are correct and it is only the bars that we are changing, then the order of adding the time signatures doesn't matter. However, if you need to add 1 bar of, say, 5/8, then it is best to add the 4/4 change first to prevent all the beats getting converted to 5/8. Let's look at another song and see how we can change the default time signature. In this song, Songmaster detected the time signature as 3/4. However, listening to it,
I just woke up from a dream.
we know it should be 6/8. We can change the default time signature by clicking on the time signature displayed in the control bar. We can quickly select 6/8 from the presets dropdown. The beats were correct, so make sure that Keep Existing Beats is ticked and click OK. In the next part of this series, we'll look at refining the chord names.